Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a grocery haul. I went to Aldi's and I went to Walmart. I spent $174 at Aldi's and $164 at Walmart. The budget for Aldi's was $150 and the budget for Walmart was $50, but I went over, way over, and I'll explain why in a minute. So at Aldi's, I stacked up because we're completely out, and that's why I went over, because I had to get make sure I had enough for 2 weeks, because I shop for every 2 weeks. So $174 for 2 weeks is not bad for a family of 7. I went ahead and I got 4 loaves of bread, 2 things of hot dog bread. I have, I think, a total of 3 bagels. So there's another bagel floating around here somewhere. I have some English muffin over here. This is just the original English muffin, and I feel like I'm drowning in food right now. I have some sweet Hawaiian roll right here because I'm getting ready to make sliders for the kids for their lunches this week. I got some assorted cookies here. I'm cutting down on the amount of cookies that I bring into the home, because I noticed that the kids want to just snack, and I noticed that the difference in Destiny's weight, so I want to cut out all the junk food. There go the plain bagel. I have some pretzel sticks here, and then I also have the mini twist. These are a favorite in our household, and I got 4 bags, 2 of each. I have some gel snacks here. These are pretty inexpensive from Walmart, and I like getting these, and the kids seem to enjoy it. Do not mind the toddler. She's upset because she wants to eat popsicle, and the popsicles are not ready, so she's just not happy. I got some oven roasted turkey. I have the hickory smoke, and then I have the oven, and these oven roasted, and these are the 1-pound bags. I have some baby carrots over here. So I got 2 things of baby carrots because I find that I'm running out of carrots for the children's lunches during the week. I got 3 things of Chelo. I'm not sure if I usually get 4, but I have 3 right now. And if I do need another pack, I'll go back. We have 2 things of mozzarella here for the toddler. I was able to find chicken hot dog. And we have some cheese. We have the big thing of ranch. I have 2 bags of these because it's starting to get really hot here where we live. I have my favorite creamer right here, which is the caramel macchiato. I have the cream fruit because I find that the kids were just eating random stuff for breakfast, and that's not okay because Jaxson will eat candy if he feels like that's what he wants to eat for breakfast. He will eat candy. So if I have stuff designated or what, if I have breakfast food, he will eat the breakfast food. So I have some oatmeal. I have 3 packs of oatmeal right here. Then I have noodles back there for days when I don't feel like cooking, and the kids can just make that. I know it has a lot of sodium and it's not good, but whatever. Everything in moderation and you'll be okay. We have some cheese crackers here. So we have the white cheddar and the cheese. We have some on-the-go tubes. I love these. The kids love them too. They're from Walmart and they're $1.60 something. Graham crackers. I have 2 boxes of graham crackers. I have 2 things of mandarin orange here. Let's just look like that. And then over here I have vanilla pudding, chocolate pudding, and then you know, the all-time favorite, which is Rob's snack bars. I got sweet and salty nut and cashew, and then I get the peanut almond dark chocolate chunk. And that's what he eats during the week. Nothing changes around here. Nothing changes. This is new mashed potato. I don't know why I got it. I felt fancy, so I got it. So got some Parmesan cheese because I don't know. I was eating pasta without Parmesan cheese. Like, who does that? We have some original rounds, 2 things. And then why did I go left to right and back? I don't know. You guys just bear with me. I have some original wheat thins. These are so good. I had them the other day and I was like, no way. So I ate the whole box by myself and I wonder why I'm fat. But so I got 2 boxes just in case, you know, I accidentally eat 1 box by myself. Glutton. I need to work on that. We have some whole milk right here for the children. We have a whole stack of chips. I don't know. I guess I was hungry. It's just the pyramid. This is what you're supposed to consume. The pyramid. I'm joking, people. I'm joking. I'm legit joking. We have the wavy potato chips. And these are Clancy, okay? These are not anything fancy. They're Clancy's. We got nacho cheese. That's supposed to be Dorito. We have Cool Ranch. And then we have kettle chips and another one down there, which is the jalapeno. You know how we do around here. If it ain't spicy, whatever. I don't know what I'm trying to say. We got Big Dippers. We haven't had these in a while, so I brought them back. We have sour cream and onion, a favorite. And then we have the original round. These are just for the children lunches. Yeah, that's how we do. We have some strawberry, cucumber, banana, spring mix, and then I'll be back. I have to load up this section again. It's a lot of food. Oh, I forgot something, guys. I forgot these. This is what the toddler is bugging me for. She wants Magic Treasures and Crunch. These are the Walmart brand. They're $2 something, guys. Like $2 or something. It's a lot of sugar, but whatever. So got those. Okay, guys. So I know this is not food related, but this is why I went over because of Miss Little Maddie. She's the baby, and Destiny's like going to be 10 years old this year. So there's no hand-me-down. There's nothing. So I have to start all over. With little girls' dresses and stuff. So I got her some little dresses. These were, at first I was going to get her shorts and tops, but then I was like, these are like $4.97 for a dress. And I was like, I don't have to get her a bottom, which I did, of course, got her these little, what are these, biker shorts or something? They're called, what kind of shorts are these? Tumble shorts. So I got her these little shorts for her dresses, but I only got 3, you know, because she can, you know, alternate. So I got her this little pink one, and it's so cute. Like, little girl stuff is just so stinky cute. I got her that one, and then I got her this one. It's the same. So I got her that. I got her all the colors that they had. If they had more colors, I would have gotten more. Because they're so cute. And some things I got her 4T, some things I got her 3T. Because in dresses, I feel like she can... Okay, toddler. Okay. All right. Ants. All right, get it off. It's just ants. Okay. All right, you're fine. All right, it's just ants. And some things I got her 3T, some things I got her 4Ts because... some things she can pull off 4T and like dresses and stuff like that. She can pull those off. But for other things that require a perfect fit, like up top, and this not just, you know, exposing her her top part, I got her 3T so it would fit. And I feel like these are gonna be washed out and I won't be able to use them next year. So I got her a 3T and that, and I think it's so cute. And then I got her this little dress, this polka dot dress. It's so cute. This is so cute. I got her a 4T in that one. And then I got her this with July 4th in mind. Because I'm not shopping for her anymore. This is it. This is going to take her through the summer. And I might pick up some shorts and a few more tops. But this is going to take her through the summer. And then I got her this little one right here. I love little jumpers, especially for little girls. Oh, well, they have jumpers for boys. I think they do. Yes, they do. I love this one. I love the colors on this one. And then this little dress. Oh my gosh, I love this dress. She has a nice little sandals that I have in mind for this one. So I didn't get her any shoes because she already has shoes. And then I got her another one of these, the little flamingo. Like, how stinking cute is that? So I got her that, and all of these were $4.97. You can't go wrong with that. Like $5 for, not even at the thrift store, you can get stuff that affordable. So, and I got her this other one. I feel like this is a bit big, but she will grow into it. She's a growing girl. And then I got her this one with the little ice cream cone. It's so cute. And then, of course, I got her the bottoms for her dresses so that her underwear is not exposed. Because, you know, little girls, they do play rough. And they don't really care who's looking. I got her this little top. I got these in 3Ts, I believe. Because I want these to fit. And I think these are like fun little colors for her to go outside and play. And I got her this little shorts because I loved it. I don't even know the price on that one. And then I got her the black one, and that's it. Now let's get back to the groceries. Okay guys, so this is the rest of it. So I bought a 20-pound bag of rice. I have ground beef right here, this big container. I'm about to make that for dinner, half of it for dinner. I have some tortillas because we haven't had flour tortillas in a while. So I got 2 packs. We have some coleslaw here. And then we have some cream cheese. I think I have cream cheese, but I just got this just because every single time I go, I have to buy peanut butter. I thought I had one and they opened it, so it's a good thing I grabbed that. Got some green onions. I have a thing of chicken quarters because my husband loves to grill, so I got this for him. And then I got some drumstick to cook, so I got 2 things of drumstick. And then chicken thighs, so I got 2 of those for this week. I do not buy meat for the 2 weeks. I just buy meat for 1 week. Sometimes we have meat left over if we do a pasta salad with tuna, you know, so we don't really go through meat like we do everything else. I have a thing of 60 large eggs. I got that from Walmart. This usually lasts us the whole 2 weeks. I have yogurt. These are my favorite. I told you guys. Not so much these. Kids can have that. I already had one. And then more yogurt down here. I have a trail mix right here. Mountain trail mix. I have 2 things of kidney beans because my husband made rice and peas, so I had to place those. I have potatoes. I have a thing of hickory and brown sugar barbecue. I have Parmesan, creamy Alfredo sauce, because I don't have one. I don't know why I don't have it. I have 2 things of corn mix, corn muffin mix. I already have 2 in the pantry, but I figured I would start stacking up. We have some tomato ketchup. I think I have tomato ketchup, but I wasn't sure. I just got it. Then we have more Jello snacks. I picked these up because I forgot that I do pick up the big pack at Walmart. So this was a waste of 80-something cents, but I picked up a whole bunch. I don't know why I forgot that I usually pick up the big pack at Walmart. So I have the orange, the strawberry orange. I have some chicken broth here, fat-free. What's the difference between chicken broth and chicken stock? Comment down below, let me know. Because one nice lady said there's no difference, but I got some chunky blue cheese right here because this is Rob's favorite. I got some mayo. I think I have mayo, but we do go through a lot of pasta salad, so I don't know how low we are on that. We have some dry roasted peanut. We have sweet peas, mixed vegetable, ton of black beans because we had his mom over And this is why the budget is over, because when we entertain, I can feel it in the budget because I have to replenish so much more. We have some raisins. We have more turkey here. This is a honey smoked turkey. So I got 3 packs, I believe. Could be wrong, I don't know. Then I got Colby. I have extra sharp, and Colby again. I have strawberry. I need to stop buying these because the kids are not eating them. I have a ton of them in the refrigerator right now. They tend to go for yogurt and Jello. So I need to stop buying these because they don't like them. I have corn. I have some Italian seasoning. And I'm like, how come I never had this before? But no, I just picked it up. I got some more garlic powder because we go through those a lot. And then I have some corned beef. Someone said that they want to see me make Jamaican lunches for the kids, so I'm going to try to incorporate more Jamaican dishes into the children's lunches. Anyways, guys, I am exhausted. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and become a sunshine, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.